constituency by-election. The result is as follows. The state is Kebbi, the local government is Zulu local government. The code is 21. Number of registered voters in the local government 109,385. 109,385. Number of accredited voters. Number of accredited voters 5156. 5156. Votes received by political parties. Votes received by political parties. APC 4871. 4871. LP 168. 168. Total valid votes. Total valid votes 5055. 5055. Rejected votes. Rejected votes 95. 95. Total vote cast. Total vote cast 5150. 5150. Thank you very much. That is the result of the 2026 Zulu State Constituency by-election.